Alright, y'all, it's been a while. Just wanted to do a quick video of the real MVP of the fleet here. Not this guy, but this thing. So this is our 2011 Honda Fit Sport. We got it like 6 years ago. I think pretty sure we got it like at around under 80,000 kilometers. Now it has 141,000 something kilometers. My wife primarily drives this thing. It was our first car together before we got married, had a kid, and it's been our solid family car, the reliable car of the lot. And it is auto. And I'm gonna just like tell you guys a little bit about it. I haven't done anything to it except like these, Ricer red badges in the front and back, some Mugen replica visors, and that's really it. The wheels are in stock, of course. Those are old classic Momos from my uncle, which were used on like Mark IIs, Mark I's, or whatever. But I used them for winter, for our winter tires. But let me just tell you about like what I've done with this car in terms of maintenance. It's all been literally like oil changes, and I've done the brakes at least once in the last six years. And we have had a wheel hub and bearing failure that got replaced once, and that's it for the most part on maintenance. Now, what has broken on the car? So I've had a transmission sensor failure. I have a link to that video, and I'll leave the card up here. And basically it was an issue in which the D was flashing, I think here and in the cluster, like when you have it selected here, basically the D was flashing here and as well as on here, and basically the car wouldn't rev up to higher gears. So that was one issue. Second issue, which I think is pretty common, is this thing sticking, and this thing here just rusts up. The latch to open the hatch, it sticks. So what you have to do is basically unlock, pull this up, and then it allows you, to pull it open. It's weird to explain, but I never bothered replacing it. I just learned how to live with it. So see, you unlock it and it sticks. Sometimes it doesn't. Next thing to go was the door lock actuator. I would unlock it. All the other doors would unlock except that thing, and up to now it's been broken. I'm gonna take it in to get it fixed. I think I've been quoted like under 500 bucks because the part itself is like under 300, but it's gonna take them a couple hours to do it. They don't really want to mess with it because it's a family car. They don't want to mess it up, and my wife drives it, so I'll just leave it for the pros to do. Other than that, the last thing to go was this wiper arm here. All right, so y'all can see with the wipers on, see that thing's going, but this isn't. Like, let's see what's going on here. Yeah, see, you can see it spinning, but I guess this thing has stripped. So basically, if we replace this arm, I think we should be good to go again. Till then, I'll just have to live with that. And so far, that's it. Cosmetically, it's not bad. It's held up. Hasn't even started to rust yet. I don't even rust proof this car every winter. I feel like I should. I would keep it. It's been so far like mechanically reliable. It's always started for me. I have replaced the battery at least once in the last 6 years. That's okay. I did buy it with a bumper crack, so this is kind of like hanging down a little bit, but it's all good. I mean, for us, it's like a beater, but I love it so much and I trust it. It takes care of my wife and her 35-minute commute one way every day. And so yeah, basically 2011 Honda Fit, 141,000 kilometers on it, and no real big mechanical issues. except for really like the most annoying thing is probably like the door lock actuator, which, you know, we will get fixed, but doesn't, you know, bother the drivability of the car. And if you want to hear about, like, you know, what I love about this car, what I don't like about this car, let me know so I can make a video about it. But yeah, so far that's it. I like this car enough though. Honestly, way more reliable than any of my Volkswagens. Probably because of the age. I mean, this is a 2011. That thing's like a 03, I think. And the Mark II is like a 92. So, you know, things are just more likely to break when they're older. And this guy has been good to me so far. Probably gonna try to rock it till it's dead.